Okay class, today we're going to read a storybook. Cookie brother, how dare you burp in class? That's it, go to the principal's office right now.
Cookie Cuties brother, why are you here?
I burped in class.
Cookie Cuties brother, you don't never burp in class. That's it, you are suspended for 4 weeks.
Go home right now.
Cookie Cuties brother, we can't believe you got suspended for school for burping in class. That's it.
You are grounded for 5 years.
Go to your room right now and never ever come out.
What?
The stupid brother.